NetApp Certified Hybrid Cloud Administrator NS0-304 exam dumps are good material for you to study all the related topics: hybrid cloud concepts, configuration, automate, secure and protect, monitor and troubleshoot. Share some NetApp NS0-304 exam dumps here. 1. What are two network requirements when providing an unused IPv4 CIDR block when onboarding to Cloud Volume Service for AWS? Choose 2. A. An ExpressRoute gateway. B. A private static IP block for shares and exports. C. A. 28 network. D. A public elastic IP block for EC2 instances accessing shares. 2. You are modifying the service level from standard to premium. In this situation, which two Cloud Volume Service parameters are modified? Choose 2. A. Capacity per volume. B. IOPs per second. C. Megabytes per second. D. Disk type. 3. You want to set up data protection from your on-premises AFFA 800 to cloud volumes on tap with 14 days retention and an hourly refresh rate. In this situation, what should you do to accomplish this task? A. Set up a SnapVault from source to destination with an 1-hour update and retention of 14 days with ONTAP 9.3. B. Set up a snapshot with a 1-hour update and a retention of 14 days with ONTAP 9.3. C. Set up a snapshot with a 1-hour update and a retention of 14 days with ONTAP 9.4. D. Set up a SnapVault from source to destination with an 1-hour update and retention of 14 days with ONTAP 9.3. Five. As the administrator of NetApp Cloud Insights, you want to set up an alert on your on-premises NetApp ONTAP system when a volume reaches 70% full. In this situation, which two actions are required to accomplish this task? Choose 2. A. Set up an alert. B. Create a performance policy. C. Monitor the action field in auditing events. D. Create an annotation for volume capacity. 6. What is the difference between a mirror and a backup replication policy? A. Mirror replication policies can retain more snapshot copies at the destination than at the source. B. Backup replication policies are faster than mirror replication policies. C. Backup replication policies can retain more snapshot copies at the destination than at the source. D. Mirror replication policies are faster than backup replication policies. 7. When provisioning storage for cloud volumes ONTAP in Azure using Cloud Manage, why is the maximum usable size of a flex volume 76.55? A. The limit is actually 76.8 TB. But a small portion of the volume is set aside for metadata. B. Cloud Manager sets by default an aggregate free space ratio of 10%. C. 20% of the disk space is reserved for overhead. D. Data ONTAP sets this number as a hard-encoded limit in the storage subsystem. 8. Your on-command Cloud Manager instance has database corruption. You create a new on-command Cloud Manager instance with no data, and your ON1AP instances are still running with no issues. You want to bring the cloud and on-premises ONTAP instances into the new on-command Cloud Manager working environment. In this scenario, which two actions will satisfy these requirements? Choose two. A. Discover the ONTAP instances. B. Restore the 7z file. C. Promote a load-sharing mirror. D. Import active IQ entitlements. 9. You are managing a large NetApp hybrid cloud estate across your business and are experiencing VM performance problems. You are asked to investigate. You need a tool that provides monitoring capabilities and enables you to solve specific issues quickly. Which NetApp tool would you deploy to satisfy these requirements? A. NetApp Cloud Compliance. B. Spot Eco by NetApp. C. NetApp Cloud Insights. D. NetApp Cloud Manager. 10. An application developer asks you for a new cloud volume service volume for AWS that supports SMB and NFS access for development and testing purposes. In this scenario, what should you do to support the developer's request? A. Provision a new cloud volume service SMB volume, and select the NFS box. B. Provision a new cloud volume service volume as dual protocol. C. Provision two volumes, one for SMB and one for NFS. D. Provision a new cloud volume service NFS volume, and select the SMB box.